Eiffel Lubricants is a driving force to run your equipment without friction. Our advanced research methodology has allowed us to deliver premium product ranges powered by magnetic nanotechnology. Our automotive lubricants provide improved fuel economy, extended engine life, enhanced protection from component wear and tear, advanced technology products for hybrid engines. Our motorcycle lubricants are empowered with optimized friction properties, provide consistent power and torque, excellent shear and oxidation stability, protects against viscosity and thermal breakdown, superior sludge protection, ensuring greater engine reliability, enhanced wear protection, and improved engine cleanliness. Our commercial vehicle lubricants ensure enhanced wear protection in heavy-duty engines, improved fuel economy during long haulage, low maintenance costs by extended oil drain intervals, compatibility with the latest low-emission engines. Our industrial lubricants are designed for excellent anti-wear and extreme pressure performance, advanced oxidation and thermal stability at high operating temperatures, excellent air release and anti-foaming characteristics, preventing component damage, good water separation, reducing damage caused by corrosion. Our marine lubricants deliver outstanding protection against ring and liner wear, excellent resistance to the action of water contamination, optimum filtration capabilities of oil ensure system cleanliness, high detergency enabling longer engine life. Eiffel Lubricants' premium quality diverse range of products empowers uninterrupted equipment performance, enabling your life without friction.